Hi everyone. Today we learn about a cool coding tool called DeepSeek Engineer. It's like a super smart helper for coding. Think of it as a robot friend that helps you write, edit and fix computer program. Here how it is work. First, it talks to something called DeepSeek API. The API is like a secret phone number it calls to get advice on coding. It's help you make new file or fix old ones. For example, if you have a file with mistakes, DeepSeek can show you the problem and help you fix it. Let's ask with DeepSeek. If you have a file with mistake, DeepSeek can show you the problem and help you fix it. It is true? Yes, that's true. DeepSeek as an AI powered tool can assist in identifying mistake in a file and help you fix them. Here how it can help you. You can type a special command to tell it what to do. Like if you type slash add path slash to slash file, it will like add your file and help with idea or edits. It even has a way to show changes. Imagine a table showing before and after for your code. Neat, right? DeepSeek Engineer keep track of everything you and it talk about in a conversation. This way, it remember what you need and keeps helping step by step. If you ever want to stop using it, just type exit or quit easy. That's great. So why is this tool awesome? It's make coding faster and easier, especially if you are just starting out or need help fixing things. What do you think? Would you use a tool like this? Let me know in the comments. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for AI tools, and share it with your friends. See you next time.